Hi, so today I'm going to show you how we can add or change an image using BYOD, which is present in our CMS. So I'm going to add an image in, say, login page. So we have this space beside this login form. So in this particular space we are going to add an image. Okay, so I have already downloaded an particular image from the online, so I'll show you how you can add this particular image in this file. Okay, so the simpler process is you can find an CK editor and upload that image in there, and you can get the source code. So CK editor we are having in this widget section, which is present inside website. Then just go to this widget section and you will find this button, add new block. So just 1 minute. Okay, add new block. After that you will find this add image option. Just click on that, upload file. In desktop I have saved that image, so yeah, this one. Okay, then insert image. Okay, then after that, say I want to make this image more larger, or you can make it more smaller depending on your needs. So after that, just go to this portion, source code. Okay, then just copy this. Okay, so for this particular section, if you want to add that image, first you need to know like which file it is. So this is login page and we have login.html file for this login page, which is present. Okay, just copy this and just close it. Okay, so for this particular section we have login.html, which is present inside user folder. Okay, views, then user, then you will find this login.html. so in this particular place you are going to add this image code, but before that, from front end how it is coming, you need to check it. Okay, for that just open the developer tools by pressing function and F12 together. Then just go to this section. Okay, this one is left portion, so we are going to add in right portion. Okay, so where it is ending here, no div is there, so we'll add another div having class call md6. so this particular div class, it is just optional for you. If you want to add, you can add. Okay, so call md6. Okay, then inside that, whatever code we have copied before from widget section, just paste it here and we'll check how it is looking. Just okay, so it's coming nice. Okay, all right. So if you want to change anything, any CSS property for this particular image, okay, say now width is 583 and height is 305. If you want to change this width to 600, 400, anything, then you can change it here. Okay, then just copy this whole section, whole image section, and you have to paste it in login.html. Understand? So first you need to identify which portion we need to paste this code. So say after column md6 we have added this portion of code. Just so find it, call md6, just find it in here. Understand? Okay, call md6. So this is the class, but where it is exactly ending, that will be bit difficult for you. So every time we are recommending is like you just copy this whole code, okay, and just open any code editor so that it will be easier for you to understand where it is starting, where it is starting and where it's ending. So for now I'm using Visual Studio Code. I just copied this whole login.html code, I'm pasting it here. Okay, so next I'm going to find where column MD6 is there. Okay, this one. So this is the starting div, so it is ending here, it is ending here. So whatever image code we have copied, I'll just copy it again, this one, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, understand? So just copy this whole thing and go to this template editor again, just paste it, we'll see whether it is coming or not in front end. Okay, updated successfully. Just refresh it 2 or 3 times. Yeah, so it is coming. Okay, so this is the process of adding an image. If you want to change that image particular thing, if you want to change that image, then again for for the link, for the image link, you just have to go to website widgets, then add new block, then add image. You can add that other image here and you can get the dynamic link, that CloudFront link you will get from the source code portion, and again for this particular place you have to add. Okay, so thanks for watching.